Global Lift Pro-Genin. The first global facelift range to restore the youthful facial contours. Oval shape, neck, cheekbones. Inspired by the most revolutionary anti-age therapies, Skeyndor's new Global Lift Pro-Genin line is a new way of understanding cosmetic lifting from deep inside the cells. This advanced research results in a global redefinition of the facial contours by improving the cellular functionality, which is responsible for maintaining the density and firmness of the tissues. Remodels the jawline, neck, and cheekbones. Restores youthfulness to the whole face. Improves the cellular functionality to achieve a perfect facial contour. The objective of new cosmetic strategies is to more effectively and definitively prevent signs of aging. These strategies include anti-senescence marker techniques, which are taking on greater importance since their aim is to improve the functionality of the cells, whose metabolism is slowed down with age, leading to a visible loss of density and firmness in the tissues that define the skin contours. Inspired by these procedures, the advanced research carried out by Skeyndor has given rise to the exclusive Pro-Genin technology designed to redefine the facial contour, restoring fullness to the jawline and reducing submental fat. Its efficiency is based on active substances whose effects have been scientifically proven. The efficiency of Global Lift Pro-Genin is based on reducing progerin, a cellular age marker. The concentration of this substance in the cell nucleus gives an estimation of the biological age. This new technique is based on the combination of 3 active substances with proven efficiency. Biomimetic peptide derived from elephant, an enzymatic inhibitor which anti-progerin and anti-elastase properties prevent sagging in mature skins. Menyantes trifoliata extract, a potent antioxidant that protects the cellular vitamin C content. Black pepper. These molecules improve the skin's mechanical properties and supportive capacity. The Global Lift Pro-Genin line. Advanced treatments that restore the fullness of youth to the face and redefine its contours. Global Lift includes anti-gravity lifting program for use in Salon treatment with 4 complete sessions. The program is based on synergic activity of 4 products. Activating Firming Gel, a non-oily emollient gel that facilitates facial massage in the cabin with tensor and firming properties. Its active substances include Menyantes trifoliata, Chlorella vulgaris, probiotic lysate, and amino acids. Anti-gravity serum, a serum that produces a global lifting effect on the skin, specifically for treating flaccid, mature skins and skin prematurely aged by the sun. Enriched with hydrolysed collagen and organic silicone, which strengthens the skin's supportive properties. Its active substances include biomimetic peptide derived from elephant, black pepper, collagen, and organic silicone. Immediate Lift Action Mask, a lifting mask for the face and neck with a wrinkle ironing effect. Its patch-like format gives spectacular, immediate firming results in a professional and effective manner. Its active substances include yeast cell lysate, Asian centella, and aloe vera. Lift Contour Cream, a face and neck cream based on Pro-Genin anti-age technology. Advances cosmetics for a global firming effect that restores fullness to the face. Its active substances include Pro-Genin technology, Alaria algae extract, and lupin extract. The treatment can be completed at home with the Lift Contour Face and Neck Cream, available in 2 textures depending on the skin type, dry skins or normal to combination skins. The treatment includes Lift Definition Eye Contour Cream to give the eyes a more youthful appearance, Lift Contour Face and Neck Cream, Affirming Redefining Anti-Wrinkle Treatment, Global Firming Effect Progenitin Technology. Visible results: firms the skin and reduces wrinkles. Cosmetic lifting effect restores the facial fullness present in youthful skins. Its active substances include Progenitin Technology, Alaria algae extract, and lupin extract. Lift Definition Eye Contour Cream, affirming anti-wrinkle decongestive treatment. Triple orbicular effect, Progenitin Technology. Visible results: firms the skin and reduces wrinkles. Attenuates eye bags. Relieves congestion in eyelids and eye bags. Its active substances include Progenitin Technology, Alaria algae extract, buckwheat, and a lipopeptide with a firming anti-wrinkle effect. Salon treatment. Prepare the skin before starting the treatment. Cleansing phase. Remove makeup from the eyes and lips. Cleanse the face. Deep cleanse the face with the Radiance Cleansing Gel. Exfoliate the skin to improve skin permeability with the SK enzyme peeling. Remove with abundant warm water. Complete the cleansing phase with a toning product. Global Lift Treatment Phase. Apply the activating firming gel to the face, ensuring its full penetration with a Mesoscience equipment or massage. Mesoscience by Skeyndor equipment. Program the hydroelectric phoresis current at negative polarity for about 8 minutes. And apply a massage to the whole face using ascending movements. Apply the anti-gravity serum to the whole face and continue with the Mesoscience equipment. Program the electroporation current for 8 minutes, paying special attention to the areas to be treated. Apply the Immediate Lift Action Mask. Adjust the mask to the facial features and model using ascending movements. Leave on for about 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the mask and end the treatment with the Redefinition Cream. Start the massage at the neck using smooth, synchronized movements. Work in ascending circles on the paravertebral muscle using 3 fingers. Continue using your knuckles. In the same area, apply ascending pressure with 2 fingers. Continue applying the same movement on the occipital crest. End with a basic neck stretch. Apply gentle massages to the face. Continue by alternatively massaging the jaw and zygomatic muscle. Apply a kneading massage using the roller technique. Continue the massage, bending your fingers. Work on the jaw with flip stroking movements. Stimulate the treated area with brisk strokes. Apply a vibration massage using one hand to secure and applying the massage with the other, using your middle and index fingers. Continue with a vibration massage. Use one hand to secure and apply the massage, with the other using your middle and index fingers. Lastly, continue with the vibration but massaging finger by finger. In the zygomatic muscle area, massage the cheekbone with your middle and index fingers. Stretch the zygomatic muscle using 2 fingers. Knead the zygomatic muscle area. Massage the outline of the zygomaticus minor muscle. Continue with this massage on the zygomaticus major muscle. End with a gentle massage at the sides of the face. Start with general smoothing strokes on the neck and neckline. Using your thumb and index finger, massage the face using synchronized outward movements. Continue with this massage until you come to the chin. Apply kneading movements to the chin with your thumbs using semicircular movements. Place your thumb on the lines between the lips and chin and apply circular pressing movements. Work on the jawline with ascending circular movements toward the ears. Work on the ear region, applying gentle strokes. Starting with the upper lid, apply gentle massage to the lips and jaw. Apply percussion movements on the upper lid with your thumbs. Slide your middle and index fingers along the chin, working towards the sides. Apply pressing movements to the lips, working towards the corners. Use your fingers to massage the cheekbones, working towards the side of the nose. Massage the nasal furrow with 2 fingers using circular movements. Massage the side of the nose, applying gentle strokes. Knead the space between the eyebrows with your thumbs. Continue massaging the brow. Gently stroke the area around the eyes. Use your thumbs to gently massage the outer edge of the eyes.